Oh God, oh God. Severe thunderstorm warning for my county.
The National Weather Service
Oh my
in Chicago
God.
has issued
A severe thunderstorm warning for my county.
Northern Will County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 8:30 p.m. At 6:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were
Oh God.
located along
Oh
the
my
line
God.
extending from near Maple Park to near Newark, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The storm produced a 58 miles per hour gust at Nora Airport in Sugar Grove. Hazard 70
Oh
miles per
God.
hour with gusts and quarter
Severe
size
thunderstorm
hail.
warning for my county.
Radar indicated. Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Okay, everyone. Severe thunderstorm warning for my county.
Damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs,
Oh God. Oh God.
locations impacted include Chicago.
Okay, we have a severe thunderstorm warning for my county. Okay.
Portland Park.
Oh God. Oh God.
Berwick, Wheaton, Oak Park,
Oh my God.
Elmhurst,
This is
Lombard,
severe thunderstorms for my county.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
The emergency C-section in June of last year. She weighed 7.5 ounces, about the size of an apple or grapefruit.
A severe thunderstorm